is this?
It's Microsoft Excel. Now hold still, I'm about to perform a miracle.
You're crazy. There's no
Now,
time.
Wilson just wants this year, right? First we'll put in the names of the tours. Tennis, golf, safari. Total.
Right.
Q1, Q2 ought to do it. She wants to see a 10% growth.
Yeah.
I'll work up the first 2 quarters.
I got it. I got it. We could tell her that you got mugged on Friday night. Nah, she'd want a police report.
Click on the auto sum?
Hey, you only have 2 quarters here. Aren't you going to finish it?
No, but Microsoft Excel is. Watch this. It's called autofill. It's going to finish the table for me. I just drag this little cross as far as I want the data extended. Check it out. Excel picks up on trends, totals, quarters, dates, and does the projections for me.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
Very